Hola amigos, Joel here again for BVN Realty. We're here at Front of Sur, the neighborhood. We've got a really interesting property. This is something you can make your own mark on. It's very, very interesting. Right now it's basically a shell, but it's a full concrete shell. We're only about 5 minutes away from the city center. We've got a semi-private driveway that's almost paved as well. When I say paved, it's basically 2 lines of concrete that go up the driveway so that your tires can grip. Let's do a short little walk through here and just show you what I'm talking about. We've got a really nice overhang here. We've got some beautiful posts. We got some banana trees in the front. There's a spot here where you could actually probably put a pool if you really wanted to. A pool in Nicaragua is probably between $10,000 and $15,000, depending on what you're looking for. The neat part about this place is it's all open concept. So we've got a bunch of windows here that you could, put some mesh screening on to keep the airflow. The neat thing is that it's all cement construction. There's some blocks here as well. There's unlimited potential with this home. So let's just walk further down the deck. There's a pretty good view here as well. What's neat is we've got a really large retaining wall that elevates this property. I don't know how much concrete that they poured in this place, but it was a substantial amount. So behind me you can kind of see the elevation of San Juan del Sur. There's a nice deck here, and there's one bedroom in behind this concrete wall. What I would do is probably put a window in this room right here. But as you can see, it's got a really nice aluminum roof. It's got aluminum structure. It really has crazy potential, so you can make your own mark, you can create your own design, you can choose your own paint colors, choose your own fixtures and finishings. That's the neat thing about this home. So we'll just quickly walk through the rest of it. We've got one bedroom here. We can't access it at this point, but we do have one bedroom here. I would say this would be the master bedroom because it does have the ensuite bathroom. It's very simple at this point. As I said, it's under construction, but behind this wall is a stand-up shower, there's a toilet, and there's plumbing for the sink. So the plumbing is here, the electric is here, there's a couple of doors that are in place, but really, like I say, it's unlimited potential. Oh, one of the neat things that I wanted to, I think it's in the other room, but we've got some, up here we've got, 1, 2, 3, 4 areas to let in a lot of natural wind, so it really cools the place off nicely. Around the corner, so this area that we're walking through could probably be your living room and where your kitchen table would be, but there is a kitchen area over here. So there's a kitchen area over here, and then there looks like there's going to be a 2-piece bathroom here as well, with another entrance to the backyard. So we'll stop the video here and I'll show you where the backyard is here in a second. So we're standing on the side yard. The side yard is where we have access to the rest of the lot. In fact, it's actually a backyard. Kind of rare to see in a city center property. That's what makes this home so unique. There is room for parking for 2 vehicles, possibly 3 vehicles. We'll just quickly show you that. And then towards the back of the building, and I'm not quite sure if the chickens come with the property or not, but we've got a lot of chickens here. So they're kind of cool. They're being nice and quiet. I guess it's, past their morning routine. But here's the view of the back of the property, the back of the home. Again, we can see the cement construction. There's cement blocks around the bedrooms. Really nice tin roof. Aluminum construction to hold it all in place. But there's room back here for, there's a couple of banana trees, there's a coconut tree, and the extension of the retaining wall. So it is, fairly private. There's nobody that can really build behind you. Yes, you have a neighbor to your left. And the other neat thing about this property is there's a small vacant lot beside. We'll have some more details on the pricing of that small lot. So it is owned by the owner, and perhaps he would sell that lot in addition to this property as well with the pre-construction home. So thanks for watching this video, and we'll have more details coming up. Adios.